This is Silverback Epoxy, the world's toughest deck post crack filler, deck checking repair filler. Hector here is injecting it into these deck post cracks, and then here in a second he'll take a tool and he'll drive it down into the cracks. I'll show you that here in a second. Knife that all flat. Okay. All right. Now, cures up 3 to 5 times harder than concrete. Okay. Can resist movement up to 7 to 10,000 psi. Once this dries up, we're getting ready to coat over top of all this. Okay. With a special coating called Caulking Armor. All of these cracks will fill in. They won't be open anymore. They won't be open to water. And this post will look synthetic, almost composite-like. Silverback Epoxy is so tough that when you beat on it with a hammer, it won't bust, it won't chip, none of that. Toughest deck post crack filler in the world today, right? You can also use it for knots, voids, any of that type of stuff. It's used during the refinishing process. So it's used, it's allowed to cure up, and then coated over, right? All right.